Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all how to learn to code fast. I'm just going to be sharing one trick. There's literally one trick to learn how to code fast. I've used it and I know a lot of people that have used it, and it might seem pretty obvious, but projects. Yes, projects. Now, it's not just, okay, I'm going to build projects. No, you have to build projects as soon as you start learning. Let's say you're just learning HTML and CSS. As soon as you start that coding course, you need to start a project. Yes, I know you're probably saying like, oh, I don't know anything. Well, how am I going to start a project? You just start the project. You create a blank document, and as you're learning, you keep adding to that document. So as you're learning more HTML, as you're learning more CSS, you keep adding to that project. The very, very important thing is that you need to be learning and coding simultaneously. So as you're completing this course, you're also completing a project. And the more you learn, the more you add to this project and to previous projects that you have created. Now, what are the benefits of building projects? The main, most important benefit is that as you're coding, as you're building projects, you're going to encounter issues. And that's how developers learn. We encounter issues, we do some research, look up on Stack Overflow, do some Google research, and then we problem solve. And that's how you're going to keep growing and learning as a developer. So if you are interested in learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, becoming a web developer, starting to freelance as a web developer, remember to always start a project from the moment that you start a course. I can guarantee that if you start a project with every course that you take, one, you're gonna learn a lot faster, a million times faster, and two, it's gonna help you get a job even faster. Why? Because you're already gonna have projects from all the courses that you took, all those projects that you built. You're gonna have those projects to show to employers, to show to people interviewing you. Once you've built up that knowledge base, once you've built up that skill set, you can go back and improve any projects that you're like, you know what, this project has a lot of potential. I can, make some tweaks here and there, add some features, and it's gonna be a really big, nice projects that I can add to my portfolio website. One thing that I really want to emphasize is that you don't have to make huge, unique projects. They can be small projects. You always start small, especially if you're just starting to learn. Start with a small project, and as you learn, you can add new features to it. So don't feel overwhelmed by all the huge projects that you see on YouTube or on social media. Start small and keep adding as you go. This is really important. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this, or if you think there's another trick to learning to code faster, or that will really help others to learn and progress in the journey a lot faster. Once again, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.